marks the official opening of the 11th annual FedFest, Kingston's premier winter event, celebrating all activities, ice and snow. It's a festival sure to delight both young and old. Hockey abounds at FedFest. Taking the Carr-Harris Cup tonight, the France tomorrow night. Bundle up for the annual Historic Hockey Series Saturday night, or scrimmage with the V's. The choices are yours. FedFest features a weekend of music, family fun, and more on and off ice events, including a visit by three-time Stanley Cup winner and one of NHL's greats, Guy Carbonneau, and Canada's own seven-time Canadian and three-time world champion figure skater, Patrick Chan. FedFest and fun go hand in hand this weekend. Now, without further ado, please welcome His Worship, Mayor Brian Patterson.
Well, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you all for coming today. It is so awesome to be here for the opening ceremonies of the 11th annual FedFest. And I don't know about you, Chris, but I think that this is going to be the best FedFest that we have ever had here in the city of Kingston. The organizers have pulled out all the stops this year. You can see they even put in a special order for a whole whack of snow. So we are ready to go. The weather's going to be great. We've got a great lineup. We've got ice slides. We've got the snow maze. We've got skating. We've got celebrities. We've got maple candy. We've got beaver tails. We have so much going on. So I just want to extend a special invitation to everyone from Kingston and the surrounding region to come downtown this weekend and partake in the signature Winter Carnival Festival here in Kingston. It's going to be great. A special thank you to all of the organizers and the staff and the downtown businesses and the sponsors, everyone that has put on all of the events for this weekend. It is going to be great. So thank you very much. Ready?
Here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, here let the 11th